Hey YouTube, boy am I pissed. Yeah, we just did about 35-40 minutes of commentary and turning, because I thought, you know what, people want to see shit get turned. Excuse my language, I'm a little pissed off. Well, here's the tools I used. Both tools that I've recently ground my new experience for me, and I see a lot of potential in it. I mean, the degrees of creativity are widely broadened. And there's what the commentary was all about. I kind of dug in there and put that contour on the top, and dug in. Then I did a little taper by coordinating both hand wheels, and then I did the cutoff. And well, you're getting the whole thing in less than 3 minutes. But well, you know what, in all honesty, there was a thing or two there I'm kind of glad you didn't see. But Chip's, at least with the, let's just say chip management was much better. We're looking kind of like focusing on that. We're looking at that as opposed to that I used to get. So that's a good thing. Once again, there's my first grind, my first tool, and then there we go. And then there's my second attempt. And of course, you can see what I was going for there. And this one here, okay, this is all getting rather senseless. So there's nothing to say, but I'm gonna go get some sleep, come back, and try to produce something that actually shows some machining, which I thought I just did. All right, please like and subscribe despite all that. Bring a buddy, tell a friend.